Hi everyone, welcome back with the fourth Sudoku. This one is a 4 stars Sudoku. In this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Tuesday, September the 22nd, 2020. Yes, a 4 stars Sudoku, and this will be a number 1589. And before I start, I always count the printed digits so you have an indication of the difficulty level. Previous one has 25 with 3 stars. The 4 stars, I think 24. Let me check. 1, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15, 16, 19 plus 2 is 21, plus 3 is equal to 24. Correct. So let's get started. Well. How about the number in this last column? We have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here we have a 1, so no 1 there. Here also a 1, so no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Then a 1 in this first row, a 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here. Or there we see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So in the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. And then 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And in this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. So we have a 4 in this column, a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4, therefore should be there. And then, how about 2, 8, 6, 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes are left for the numbers 7 and 6. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. So we have a 7 in the third column, a 7 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are 1, 2, the 3 is missing. The 8 is missing and the 5 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The other 2 boxes should be for the 8 and the 5. Let me mark them. It's a pair. So we have a 3 in this third row, a 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. These two boxes left for the first row for the 8 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them. 8 and 6. How about these two boxes in this big square? It's a pair. The 9 and the 2. 9 and a 2. Yes. 9 and a 2. 9 and a 2. Alright. In this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here a 9, so no 9 there. 9. The only place for the 9 should be there. So these two should be the 8 and the 6. Alright. 8, 8. Alright. 6, 6, 6, 6. Yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So we have a 6 in one of these 2 boxes in the third column. A 6 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. This should be also, we have here 8 and a 5. So these should be the 9 and the 2. 9 and the 2, alright, 9 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. 8 and the 6, alright. 9, 9. Alright. 2, 3, 3. 2 and 5 and 9. Alright. Let me see. 9. Four. Oh, alright. Let me think. 2, 2. We have here 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. That means we have an 8 in this row and 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So in the last row, those 2 boxes could be an 8. Here an 8 or there an 8. One of the missing number here in this big square is a 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. Then 2 is also yeah, 3, 5, 5, 5, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. Let me think. 4, 4. 4, 4. 7, 7. I'm thinking. 8. Here could be also an 8. 1, 4, 7, 6. 3 goes there. Yeah. 9. 9, 9, 9. Not easy, not easy, not easy. 2, 1. 1, 1. Yeah. We have a pair. We have a pair. 1 and a 2 in this column. 1 and a 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 1 and the 2 should be here, here, or there. And look, we have a 1 and a 2 in the last row. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. So the 1 and 2 as a pair. This is a pair. We need pairs to eliminate some numbers. That means we have 1 box left for another number. Should be the 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be there. So I have a 9 in this row and 9 in the last row. So I need a 9 in the row between in these 3 boxes. Alright. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. We have a 4 here. So these 2 should be a 4. The 7 is missing. Yes. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. This dot I've marked was for the 4. For the 4. Yes. Because we have a 4 there. So no 4 there. So 1 box left for the 6. Yes, the 6. 8 and a 5. Yes. So we have the 8, 5, and the 3 are missing. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, alright. So this should be the 8 and the 5. And look, we have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. These 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and an 8. 6, 7, and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 4, 4. Alright, 6, 6. 4, 4. We have a pair. 4 in this row. 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. Up here, 4 and 8. That means 1 digit left in this row for the number 3. Alright. So we have a 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. 8, 6. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, yes. Here we have 3 missing numbers. The 1 is missing. The 5 is missing. Look, we have a 5 here, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, only place for the 5 should be here. And all the 5's are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Alright. Then we We have 2 numbers missing in this second column, the 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 here. It's a pair. That means 1 digit left. This should be the number 8. 8. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Yes. I've marked those boxes with the 8. Now we have an 8 there. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 boxes left. 2 and the 9. Yes, 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. So we have a 2 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. So in this row, this cannot be a 2 anymore because we have a 2 in these 2 boxes. So this should be a 1. And this should be a 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 2 and a 9, so 1 box left in this big square for the number 6 is missing. 8 and a 6, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9, yes, this is 2 and a 9, that means 1 box left for the number 6, yes, 6 is missing. Look, 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so in the third column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6, 7, and the 8 are missing in this big square. 6, 7, and the 8. And look, we have the 6 and the 8 already, so this cannot be 6 or the 8. The 6 and the 8 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them, so 1 digit left should be the 7. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. So we have an 8 and a 6, 8 and a 6, 8 and a 6, 8 and a 6. Alright. How about these 2 numbers in the first column for the numbers 9 and the 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Or there we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And well, we need a 2. So now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 9, and this should be a 2. 1 box left in this second row for the number 9. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Let me finish this without counting. 8 and a 6, 8 and a 6. In the middle row, we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 6. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 8. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 9 and the 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright. I like this Sudoku. Quicker than the previous Sudokus. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. 2 tectonics and 1 binary. See you later. Bye bye for now.